today we're going to Adventure Bay. If you live in the Detroit or Metro Detroit area and have been thinking about going to a water park that is not too far away from home, well, this is it. Adventure Bay in Windsor, Canada. An indoor water park with water slides, wave pool, lazy river, splash pad, and playground for the kids. Well, let's see. Before crossing the tunnel or the bridge, you will have to pay a toll fee. The price is different, but is about $8 to $10. The only difference is if you decide to take the bridge, you will have an amazing view of the river. Now that we cross the border, the park is about 5 minutes, maybe less. So let's go. If you're wondering if they have a parking lot, yes, they do. It is located behind the building. And before you get in, of course, you will have to pay for your entrance. And I believe for one adult, we ended up paying $17 US. And here we are. They do provide life jackets if you need one, and also they have lockers, but if you need to use one, just make sure you bring a lock. I hope you guys enjoy your trip to Adventure Bay.